So what I do with these potatoes is I take some apple cider vinegar and just rub it on top, help it get this wonderful yummy flavor in it, and get it wet so that the herbs will stick to it. Then I take some paprika and rub that around on top, as well as cumin and some cinnamon and just a little bit of salt and pepper. Give it this great flavor, and then just bake that for 15 minutes actually, till they're done. Just a great way to really enjoy a sweet potato. Okay, so when I get those out, you'll see them. I put that on a parchment paper, bake it for 350. Just really enjoying my sweet potatoes, the way I bake them with cumin and paprika, some cinnamon and ginger, as well as salt. Such little nice discs ready to eat, as well as these really great vegetables that I roasted with the spaghetti squash, this beautiful acorn squash that is just seasoned with the same stuff, as well as the butternut. So, yep, you can come on over. You know where I live.